So the digesters have been done, and there's this extra large commercial size biodigesters, 2 of them for each side of the apartment. What we did was to have the soakaway in it as part of the whole construction. It's about 8 feet long and about 4 feet depth. So it's a huge biodigester. And then the soakaway was done inside with an overflow pipe that takes the excess water that will be retained in the digester after enhanced filtration has been done, will be sent to the drainage system that will be constructed in front of the house. Considering constructing a biodegradable waste biodigester for your dream house, then this video that shows the different types of biodigesters and the different sizes that can be considered for homeowners right here in Ghana today is just for you. So basically, when you have a call from somebody who wants to construct a biodigester, some of the key questions you have to ask is the particular type of facility they have and what they are looking for, especially in the biodigester. So if they should go ahead and let you know that they are looking at constructing a biodigester for a 3-bedroom house or a 4-bedroom house, then you have a fair idea of the type of biodigester they should be considering. So in this video, I'm going to break down for you the type of biodigester that are available, and in case you intend to construct a biodigester, what you should be looking out for. So the digesters have been done, and there's this extra large commercial size biodigesters, 2 of them for each side of the apartment. What we did was to have the soakaway in it as part of the whole construction. It's about 8 feet long and about 4 feet depth. So it's a huge biodigester. And then the soakaway was done inside with an overflow pipe that takes the excess water that will be retained in the digester after filtration has been done, enhanced filtration has been done, will be sent to the drainage system that will be constructed in front of the house. Because of the amount of uses that this biodigester is being put through, when you are constructing it, you will need to have a clear understanding of where the wastewater will be going. Because over 100 people, a lot of users, and a lot of flashes will be done when you do construct an extra large size commercial biodigester. There should be clear understanding of where the wastewater is going. And one of the key parts for such a construction is to consider a wastewater option in the digester itself, which is the soakaway in the digester itself. That gives you the leverage and the room to do the biodigester bedding first, and then know that no matter the situation from the house, you are going to have a way for the water, and an extra filtration will be done. And it's also because of the amount of water. It's usually done for a drainage system, because then you need a gutter for the extra water that will be coming. So you do have to get a soakaway inside or outside for the digester first, and then you need it to be connected to a drainage system or a gutter, whichever is possible and is near to your construction. The commercial size or light industrial biodigester is also a type of digester that we construct for commercial purposes. Now, there's not much difference between this digester and the extra large digester, just the size one, and obviously the added advantage of knowing that you do have an extra large biodigester that will suit all purposes and then will fit all kind of situations. But the light industrial or commercial large biodigester is just for that purpose. It's also a commercial digester that you heavy users that does all the things that the extra large biodigester does. This type of biodigester has got a 7 feet length and is by 5 feet. It can also be by 4 feet. And it's also done in the same way for schools, for public toilets, for commercial buildings, warehouses, and any other facility that has got a lot of heavy users coming to the facility. Now, the biodigester must also be done with the outlook for a soakaway and an outlook for a wastewater causeway or a drainage system or a gutter. It's also because of the number of users that you are going to expect to be using such a facility. It's done in such a way that the lot of water that will come will still have a way to go, and the digester will continue to give a good use for which it has been designed for. The third type of biodigester that you can consider for your property is the large size family biodigester, or the large family size biodigester. This biodigester has been designed for properties ranging between 5 to 8 bedroom possibly a boys' quarters attached to it, story buildings, rental properties, and compound houses. So the digester has been designed for up to maximum of 30 uses per day, which is 30 flashes. And then the size of the biodigester is 3.5 feet by 6 feet by 3.5. The digester has been done based on the fact that the users are going to be plenty. There's going to be a lot of flashes. There's going to be a lot of activity around this type of biodigester. It's a standard family size biodigester. Standard family means that there's a father, there's a mother, and there are about 2, 3, or even 4 children. So the standard family size digester has ideally been designed for 1, 2, 3 bedroom house with possible 1 or 2, 3 toilet facilities. Now this digester has got a dimension of 5 by 5. That's 5.5 feet by 2.5 feet by 2.5 feet. So it's a digester that has been designed for everyday use in terms of the people who are going to stay in the house. So we consider it for 18 flashes or 18 uses. Occasionally when there's a party or you have a visitors or there's an outdooring going on in the house or there's any program, funeral and stuff, the digester can be used for full capacity. Over 100 people can use it. But the key part is that the continuous use 24/7, 7 days a week is what we usually consider. And that's what comes with in mind when you're talking about the standard family size biodigester. The standard family medium size biodigester. This biodigester is quite popular with most homeowners because then it sits in between the standard family size normal digester or small digester and then the large family size digester. The designing and understanding of the digester is coming from the background of having 1 or 2, 3 or maximum 4 bedroom house. The digester is popular because it solves the problem of you having to do a small digester and having to do a large digester and then sitting in between, knowing that the family will have a better room to operate and not be worried too much about whether the biodigester will serve the purpose or it will meet the capacity it was intended for. So the biodigester is basically still the same as the standard size, but then it's been designed for up to 4 bedroom houses and then 4 toilets in particular. So you are looking at a family of father, mother, children. There's a house up or somebody staying with the family or a grandmother or grandfather or anybody who is staying with the family. That's what the biodigester has been done for.